How can a student implement his theoretical knowledge practically?
Actually, what we have seen in colleges as well as in our institute, students are focusing, when they are learning a programming language, more on the syntax, which is actually not the way to learn a language. They should focus on how the language actually is designed. They should focus on what is the step-by-step approach of solving a problem using any programming language, drawing flowchart, drawing various different diagrams to design a software, etc. And then you have to use the language which the student has learned to solve the problem. So having learned any language where apart from the syntax, the various other aspects of language are learned, the usage of the language, unless it is done by applying it in a small assignment or a mid-sized project, the student will not get the hang of, the feel of how to use that language. So going by our experience of having taught 3 lakh students, we believe that all the students, having learned any programming language, should implement some project, so that how to apply that language, how to apply that technology would be known to them. And most of the industries, when they are taking interview these days, they just don't ask questions about the syntax of the language, but they ask during the interview process. Like they give a small problem and they ask the student to solve the problem by writing a small piece of code. And that time, many students, those who have not implemented good projects, they fumble and they don't get selected. So there is a sincere request from our side that having learned any language, please implement some projects, and that's how you would know the nuances of the language.